Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure ExpressVPN router setup for smart TVs, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring that your router is compatible with ExpressVPN. Visit the ExpressVPN website and sign in to your account. Navigate to the setup section and select router. Download the appropriate firmware for your router model. Connect your router to a computer using an Ethernet cable. Access your router's admin panel by entering its IP address in a web browser. Log in using your router's admin credentials. Locate the firmware update section in the admin panel. Upload the firmware file you downloaded earlier and begin the update. Wait for the update process to complete, then reboot your router. Once the router restarts, log back into the admin panel. Find the VPN or VPN clients section within the settings. Select the option to add a new VPN configuration. Choose ExpressVPN from the list of providers. Enter your ExpressVPN account details, including the username and password. Select the server location you wish to connect to. Save the VPN configuration settings. Connect to the VPN using the router's admin panel. Disconnect your computer from the Ethernet cable after successful connection. Now, connect your smart TV to the router's Wi-Fi network. Turn on your smart TV and navigate to the network settings. Select your router's Wi-Fi network and enter the password if prompted. Once connected, check the settings to confirm the VPN is active. Enjoy streaming content on your smart TV securely through ExpressVPN. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.